Well, are we in a housing bubble across the United States? Are we in a housing bubble in Phoenix? The answer is no. We are not in either one. Now, prices have gone up, rents have gone up. It has been a perfect time to be investing in real estate. It is giving so much more cash flow this year than the year before and the year before that. It has grown every single year. And in these big markets of Florida, Texas, and Arizona, the rent is just exploding. So we made an inflation call November 2nd of 2020. Now, we've been talking about inflation. I've been talking about it for the last couple of years, but if you follow me on my video, November 20th, inflation was at 1.4%, and we made the inflation forecast call. And look what's happened. We're at 7.5% here in the United States. Now, housing is a great inflation hedge. It's a terrific inflation hedge. And we're talking about in commodities. Now, we just did an interview with Charles Nenner. He suggested getting out of the stock market, getting out of the bond market, and go into the commodities like corn and soybean, oil, and of course, lumber and all the commodities. What do you make houses out of? You make them out of all this copper and aluminum and steel and wood. And that inflation call that we had in November, if you'd listen to us, has really, really paid off because my clients, their purchasing power is being protected and the rents are climbing and the prices are climbing. And we think inflation is still coming. So go look at my video on November 2nd, 2020. Now we post these and we give very, very good forecasts. Now we just did Charles Nenner, and you're welcome to take a look at that as well. We've been talking about the real estate cycle. The real estate cycle is very much in play. And we've talked about the fact that in December 29th of 2020, again, I made another call saying that we're going to be entering into the accumulation phase, and it was time to aggressively start buying real estate. Even though the economy looked kind of shaky, we thought we were going into the accumulation phase and things would be going very, very well. And of course, home prices have just gone really, really well, and rents have gone up. Now, on our video of February 18th of 2021, we also talked about the fact that home prices were going to go a lot higher. So we've got our cycle. That cycle is still in evidence today. We are really going into the accumulation phase. If you think prices have done well now, wait till inflation's going, wait till commodities start going up. And in these great markets of the United States, Florida, Texas, and Arizona, where population is just pressing the housing up, you are going to see prices to the moon. So now here we're going to start talking about Phoenix itself. We did a video on January 8th, 2021, and we thank California for sending all the people, because here in Phoenix, just in Phoenix, Arizona alone, we're getting about 85 to 95,000 Californians a year moving here. Our Phoenix region is getting 7 to 10,000 people every single month. A lot of these guys are coming from California, and the people leaving California are tired of the high taxes. They're tired of the crime. They're tired of the congestion, and they're coming with their businesses. These people are skilled labor. They're people in IT. They're coming here to open up businesses, and they are just bringing their taxes. These are entrepreneurs. These are just great, great population. And California has lost all that tax base. Here in Arizona, we captured $2.2 billion in additional taxes for Phoenix. Just for Phoenix, just last year. So we got an extra $2.2 billion. It keeps our real estate taxes down because we have all this additional cash coming in, and this is putting pressure on housing. And then you as an investor, what a great place for you to invest. Follow our work on YouTube. We try and get a video out every week letting you know what's going on, and you are welcome to make comments. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have a question, you're welcome to reach me at michael@michaeldeville.com. Again, here is what is driving these Californians. The home prices in California, the average home in California is $1.1 million. The average home price in Metro Phoenix is $449,000. It's less than half of what you can get in California. It's newer, it's bigger, it's in a better neighborhood, better school district, the transportation's better, and you're paying probably 40% of what you'd pay in California. Your cost of living is lower here. Your taxes are lower here. We hear in locals, we think, oh my goodness, these prices have really, really risen a lot. Well, they have. They absolutely positively have gone up a lot, but nothing compared to what we're going to see. So home prices are going to go up a lot here in Phoenix, Arizona. They're going to continue. So we've got trends and we've got cycles. Now the trends are mega years long, 10, 20, 30 years. Now, I've been here in Metro Phoenix since 1982. While I've been here, we've had the baby boomers and retirees have been moving in droves. You know that this is a huge, huge trend. We have over 10,000 baby boomers every single day that are retiring. And the moment they retire, they want to move somewhere where it's warm. They can play golf or tennis every day of the year. They want to go out and have fun outside. They can come to Florida, Texas, and Arizona. Of course, Arizona's got this huge mega trend. We also have a trend called high tax state to low tax state. This has been going on for years and years and years. Here in Arizona, we're getting people to want to open up businesses, really want to go somewhere where it's business friendly. And they come here to Arizona. This is really where it's at. This has been going on, and it's just accelerated. So when we had the COVID problems, we had the rest of the states shutting down, California restricting people to their houses, closing down businesses. We here in Arizona were just going crazy. Businesses were open, and we've got jobs. Over 100,000 new jobs are being created here in Metro Phoenix for a year 2022. What a great estimate that is. Over 100,000 new jobs. So if you're looking for a place to live, if you're looking someplace to open up a business, if you're looking for some long-term trends, come to Phoenix, Arizona. Now, you wonder why prices are going up. It's because of demand. We have a huge, huge demand coming here, and we just can't fill it. We cannot get enough houses for the people coming here. We've been talking about inflation. I just interviewed Charles Nenner the 21st of February. He mentioned 10 to 12% inflation. Do you understand what that's going to do to home prices? This is going to give us a multi-year increase in home prices when you have the base rate is 10 to 12%. That means you get organic growth on top of that. So we're going to see prices just explode here. So what a great place for you to live. What a great place for you to invest. If you're a baby boomer looking to get some income into your portfolio, this is just a great, great place for you to come. We're looking for you to come. I am not advocating that you sell all of your stocks, all of your bonds. We think you should talk to your financial advisor to find out what's going to be good for you, what's appropriate for you. Watch our video we just did with Charles Nenner. I mean, he's a legend investment analyst field. He's just a wonderful guy. He gave some great advice that is up on our YouTube channel. You're welcome to take a look at that. Here in Phoenix, we're going to build 30,000 new residential units, but 14,000 of them are going to be apartments. So that's got to tell you that the demand for single family homes is going to be enormous. And whenever you have demand outstripping supply, you get home prices going up. So not only do you get inflation, but you're going to start getting demand for it, and home prices are going to go up. They're going to go up beyond the rate of inflation. And I keep preaching that we'd like to have 10 homes in your portfolio. Just makes your life absolutely outstanding. But as a baby boomer, if you just had 2 free and clear rentals, is going to give you about $30,000 to $35,000 a year. Pure, unadulterated cash flow for yourself. Put that on top of your Social Security, on top of any pensions you have, and you're going to have a reasonably nice life. And those 2 properties are going to help maintain your purchasing power. Just get 2 properties right here in Phoenix, Arizona. You can buy them. They're still fairly reasonable, and prices are going up. So you get capital gains, and you're going to get cash flow. You're going to get tax shelter. You get some estate planning that comes along with it. It's just a great, great investment for yourself. Now, we're here at West USA. I am in the real estate business. My group is very, very good at what we do. We're all in real estate. We're licensed through West USA. They do all our compliance. They help us with our paperwork. They're a $6 billion firm. You should feel very, very comfortable doing business with them. Call us at 602-942-4200. Give us a call. As you know, we do videos, we do seminars, we consult, and I'm an author. I would love you to buy my books. How to Create a Real Estate Money Machine and Retire with Income is a real easy read. It's fairly inexpensive. It's $15 at Amazon. You can buy it anywhere in the world. And real estate investing for beginners is really if you're just starting out, and help you, because we want you to buy a property. If you haven't bought one for yourself, go buy one. If your kids haven't bought one, help them buy a property. And if your parents are struggling and they haven't got a home, help your parents get one. Get us a family outing. Help them as best you can to get some single family homes for themselves. Now, I got something to ask you. If you like my videos, give me a big thumbs up. Really helps with our marketing. And subscribe. You wouldn't believe how the algorithms love people that subscribe. We're doing our very best for you. If we can help in any way, if you need to reach me, you can reach me at michael@michaellaville.com. I'm here to help. Our staff is here to help. My very best.